Okay, so this is a factory style one-piece lug nut. Really nice, really clean. It is a, what is this, a Ford 3/4 M12 by 1.5 10-piece, made in China, but here's the Ford ones. We put the Ford ones back in it. Look how swollen and nasty these are. The customer said, you know what, I'm done with that. I'm not using these swollen two-piece lug nuts anymore. They had to beat sockets on almost every single one of these. There's not a lot of corrosion buildup and stuff under these either, but they already swelled. They're already screwed up. So we take the factory ones, put them back in there, and then there's the specs for the escapes, and this is what the new ones look like on the vehicle. Really nice, really clean, one piece. And this is some off-brand that the vendor's been supplying us, and the customers love it. Easy to use, we love them, easy to use. These are the ones that we saved, that we've been saving. Like the customer wants us to put new lug nuts on and just get rid of the other ones. The ones that refuse to let us change them to a better lug nut, we save the ones that are salvageable from each job that we do, and we collect them here because we don't want to put the same rotten lug nuts back on a customer's car. So if we can find one better, like the nicer ones out of each vehicle that we change, we save them and keep them in boxes accordingly so we can give them something better than what they had on there, even though they want to go back with the two-piece bad lug nuts.